Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, and hello to everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today we are going to make cheese garlic sauce. Yes, it's so tasty, so cheesy, and so yummy in taste. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe, so make sure to watch this recipe till end. For garlic sauce, here I'm taking 30 grams of garlic which is peeled off, and I'm gonna smash it very nicely. Make it like a paste. Now for garlic sauce, I'm taking here 30 grams of butter. We have to melt it. Now we will add the garlic paste here. Mix it. Now we will add cornstarch here. It's about 60 grams. Mix it. Now we will add 1 cup of milk here. Now we will add half teaspoon of sugar. Salt to taste. So now we will add here cheese. It's about 30 grams. First I have added cheddar cheese. Now I'm adding mozzarella cheese here. Now let it melt. We will stir it on the lowest flame. So now the cheese is melting here, as you can see. Our garlic sauce is almost done here. Simmer it for 2 more minutes. Then we can dish it out. So our cheesy garlic sauce is ready. You can serve it with fries or crickets or nuggets, anything you want. This is so cheesy and super delicious in taste. Make sure to try this recipe at your home and tell your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching.